Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Is my money safe with Starling Bank? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about why this is such an important question. In today's world, our money is our lifeblood. It's how we pay for our bills, our groceries, our entertainment, and everything else we need to live comfortably. So, it's only natural to want to make sure that our money is safe and secure. But with so many different banks and financial institutions out there, it can be hard to know who to trust. That's why I'm here today to give you my honest opinion on Starling Bank and whether or not I think it's a safe place to keep your money. So, let's get started. Is Starling Bank safe? The short answer is yes, Starling Bank is safe. In fact, I believe it's one of the safest banks out there. Here's why. Starling Bank is a fully regulated bank, which means that it's subject to the same rules and regulations as all other banks in the UK. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your money is protected by the law. Starling Bank is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. This means that if Starling Bank were to collapse, your money would be protected up to £85,000. Starling Bank uses a number of security measures to protect your money, including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and encryption. Starling Bank has a dedicated fraud team that is always on hand to help you if you experience any problems. In addition to being safe, Starling Bank is also a great bank to use for a number of other reasons. Here are a few of my favorite features. Starling Bank is free to join and use. Starling Bank offers a wide range of features, including budgeting tools, overdraft protection, and direct debits. Starling Bank is easy to use and has a great app. Starling Bank has excellent customer service. Overall, I think Starling Bank is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a safe, secure, and affordable bank. I've been using Starling Bank for over a year now, and I've been very happy with it. So, there you have it. My honest opinion on Starling Bank. If you're looking for a safe and secure place to keep your money, I highly recommend giving Starling Bank a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.